create a PNG of your image. You can magic one tool to create outline to cut image.